Let's practice simplifying an algebraic expression. Here's the problem. Simplify 4 times the quantity 2a minus 3 minus 2 times the quantity a minus 5 plus 3a. First, we distribute the coefficients into the parentheses. 4 times 2a is 8a, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, negative 2 times a is negative 2a, and negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. Then we bring down the plus 3a. Next, we group the like terms together. Group the a terms, 8a minus 2a plus 3a, and group the constants, negative 12 plus 10. Now we combine the terms. 8a minus 2a is 6a, plus 3a is 9a. Negative 12 plus 10 is negative 2. So the simplified expression is 9a minus 2. Remember to distribute carefully and combine only like terms.